Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to create a coin in Pump.fun. Firstly, go to Pump.fun and connect your Solana wallet to the site. Click on Start a new coin to begin creating your coin. Fill in your token name, token ticker, token image, description, and social links. Note that the first buyer of any token launched on Pump.fun pays a small fee, around $2 worth of SOL for the token's creation. Once your Memecoin is live, go to the buy page for your token. You can see bounding curve, market cap, hold, distribution, and real-time trades. And that's it, you successfully created and can start buying your own Memecoin on Pump.fun. Enjoy your journey in the meme cryptocurrency world. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.